To clean or replace the air filter on your Ranger 500, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Raise the cargo bed. Clean all dirt and debris away from the airbox area. Remove the 2 clips holding the airbox cover in place. Inspect the seal between the cover and the airbox, and replace if necessary. Loosen the worm gear clamp. Remove the filter and inspect it. Notice, if the filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Wipe down the airbox. Notice, dirt or debris in the intake could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake before installing the filter. Reinstall the filter if clean, or install a new filter. Make sure the filter is fully seated on the intake boot and there is no gap between the filter and the boot after installation. Notice, use of a non-Polaris approved air filter may cause engine damage. Always use Polaris approved replacement filters. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Tighten the worm gear clamp and torque to specification. Install the airbox cover. Ensure both hinges are fully inserted. And secure the cover clips. Lower the cargo bed. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.